Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to resize desktop and taskbar icons on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to turn on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Give it a moment to complete the startup process so everything is ready to go. This ensures all your desktop elements are properly displayed before you make any changes. Once your PC is completely loaded and you can see your desktop, you're ready to begin adjusting your icon sizes. Navigate to your desktop where you'll see various app icons and folders scattered across the screen. Look for any empty space on your desktop, somewhere without any icons or files, and right-click on that blank area. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for customizing your desktop appearance. From the context menu that appears, hover your cursor over the option labeled View. When you do this, the menu will expand to reveal additional options. This is where Windows 11 gives you control over how your desktop icons are displayed. You'll notice several size options available to choose from, including small, medium, and large icons. Each size option changes how your desktop and taskbar icons appear, making them either more compact or easier to see depending on your needs. Take a moment to consider which size works best for your workflow and screen resolution. If you prefer a cleaner desktop with more space, you might opt for small icons. On the other hand, if you want icons that are easier to identify at a glance, larger sizes would be more suitable. Simply click on your preferred size option, whether that's small, medium, or large, and Windows will immediately apply the change to all your desktop icons. And that's it. You've successfully resized your desktop and taskbar icons on Windows 11, giving your workspace a look that better fits your personal preferences and makes your desktop more comfortable to navigate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.